Okay, folks, we're in El Segundo, California. We're just watering in this native garden that just got installed this morning. We added the drip irrigation. We put in the Corona lights. It's going to be a real light show tonight. Check out that water feature. It's absolutely beautiful. We're in El Segundo, California, and El Segundo is right next to LAX Airport. You can see the jet over there taking off. So, the El Segundo is the home to the El Segundo endangered blue butterfly. So we made sure to put in the only food. It's the Eriogonum parvifolium, the white buckwheat. And so this is going to have some DG on the pathway coming in the next week. Going to put a low growing ground cover here. What's interesting is in the parkway we decided to put the pigeon point. It's a low growing native ground cover that it'll completely take over this parkway. We'll have to trim it eventually, but that's what it looks like now. And then we have Ceanothus. We have the Eriogonum. We have limas grass. These are all natives. Red buckwheat, Eriogonum rubescens. We got yarrow. Over here we have more limas grass, and we've got the seaside daisies. We've got salvias. So it's gonna, for only time it's gonna look this bare, it's gonna really get completely filled in. And so this is it. If you want to do natives, fall is the best time to plant natives in your community because they don't have the stress of the winter heat. We do have the bushes here are the coffee berries, the frangula coffee berry, and they do take a lot of shade. So we've got Heteromles beautifolia, otherwise known as toyon, right there. And yeah, and then one more. This is the manzanita right here. Ceanothus. Just a really great plan. So love it, love it, love it. DG's coming soon. Okay, this is Mike with EnviroScape LA signing off. Thanks for watching. Take care.